Hello everyone, welcome to this video where we are required to find the values of x and y in each square. And this is really important. This is one very special property when we look at the x. Do you notice that x is actually the angle that is at the diagonal? And for a square, actually there is a very special property. Okay, that this happens to be a 90-degree right angle, because the special property of a square is that the diagonals are perpendicular to each other. Alright, so knowing this helps us, because then I will be able to straight away write down x is equals to 90. And the reason is simply this is a diagonals of a square. Done. And of course, being a square, what do you think these two lengths? Are they equal? Yes, they are, because all the sides of a square are equal to each other. So from here, I will then be able to simply come up with this equation now. And this is simply because the sides of a square are equal to each other. So from here, I will be able to simply minus 2 on both sides. So 3y will be equals to 15, and after which I just need to divide by 3 on both sides to give me the final answer, 5. With that, we have come to the end of this video. If you like this video, do give it a thumbs up. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.